Affiliate marketing tips and tricks for the beginner. How would you feel if somebody knew some important information about how to improve your business, but did not want to share it with you? This does not sound good at all, and that is why you should watch this video. Herein, you will find some of the best affiliate marketing tips available anywhere. Only deal with affiliate companies that appreciate your efforts. Check with various companies to see if they offer bonuses for numbers of customers, loyalty bonuses, or any other type of reward system. You will be working hard as an affiliate, so make sure you go with a service that allows you to reap the benefits of your labor. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Consider the tracking software that an affiliate company uses on their site. If the tracking software is unreliable, there is a good chance that you will not be credited for purchases that are made. Be sure that they track the phone, fax, and regular mail to be sure you are credited for all orders you send their way. Make sure you know your audience when you build your affiliate program. Find out what their needs are and what age group they belong to. Build your site to provide a solution to your visitors. The main theme of your site should match the products of your retailer. Don't place unrelated links on your site just because they pay well. Be prepared to spend a lot of time on your affiliate marketing business, even after your website is set up and you are making money. The field of affiliate marketing requires dedication and working hours that you may not normally be used to working, such as nights and some weekends. Check in with merchants and vendors who sell products you like, and see if they have direct affiliate programs for your website. Affiliate networks might seem to dominate the affiliate marketing game, but it is quite possible for you to build a profitable strategy without them. Contacting quality vendors on your own will ensure your affiliate products are the ones you can endorse enthusiastically. To conclude, there is a lot of tips available about affiliate marketing and you have just read about the most important ones. What good is great advice, if it is not passed on to those who need it? Hopefully, you will benefit greatly from what you have watched here today. Student loan.